This is a 2008 BMW 3 Series, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof with a sun shield, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and a turbocharger. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.